Youth Summit, a yearly initiative to showcase the diverse talents of the students, was hosted on 23rd January 2020 by the Department of Commerce. The theme for the year was My Earth, My Responsibility, which emphasized on the role and responsibility of the youth in protecting, conserving, sustaining, and improving our ecosystem and the environment. Youth Summit 2020 intended to bring students of colleges in the city to participate and show their support towards making the earth a cleaner, greener, and better place for us and our future generations. There were 254 participants from Women's Christian College and 445 participants from 36 colleges across Chennai, thus making the summit a huge success. Dr. Supraja Dharani, founder and chairperson of the Trust for Environment Education, Conservation and Community Development, was the chief guest for the day. An eminent environmentalist and passionate animal lover, she encouraged each student to become an ambassador for a specific aspect of nature and campaign its preservation as it is necessary to bring about awareness regarding environmental degradation. The day kick-started with the inauguration, with an opening prayer and song, welcome dance, introductory address, and the chief guest's interaction with the audience. There were a total of 9 events and 1 title event. The events included mime, ad zap, debate, poster making, shipwreck, creative writing, wealth out of waste, potpourri, business plan, and the title event, Mr. or Miss Earth. In mime, the teams showcased their environmental concerns through a theatrical performance using non-verbal communication. AdsApp saw the students bring out their quirky and creative sides in attempting to sell their products or services in a convincing and conceptual manner. Debate encouraged participants to research, analyze, and evaluate the pros and cons of every notion on the floor before arguing their case. Poster making, the artists flourish and shine brightly with their beautiful drawings, paintings, and illustrations to share the message of saving the earth. Shipwreck was not for the light-hearted, and only the fittest and funniest survived. The students let their pens do the talking in creative writing, in sharing their thoughts, ideas, and suggestions on the given topic. Wealth out of waste taught us how something beautiful can emerge out of a mess, and brought to life some eco-friendly, recyclable, and sustainable artwork out of what we would consider garbage or trash. Potpourri was made for the witty, quick thinking, and clever, and saw students rise to the occasion and blow our minds with how they could swiftly perform the tasks they were given with little to no time for preparation. Business plans were developed on how one can become an entrepreneur by identifying and responding to a problem and exploiting it as an opportunity by offering a viable solution to the world. Finally, the title event, Mr. or Miss Earth, tested the students in different areas to demonstrate their abilities, skills, and talents. All the events centered around the focal theme of being responsible consumers and citizens and taking care of our earth. The judges for the events were all talented and successful individuals in their respective fields who gave the students a lot of constructive feedback on their performances, and the winners all received certificates, trophies, and cash prizes. Truly, the Youth Summit 2020 provided a platform for students to showcase their talents, voice their opinions, expand their knowledge, share their concerns, and most importantly, learn, participate, and make a difference. The event would have just been a dream without Miss Margaret Alexander, head of the Department of Commerce, and the enthusiastic student team led by Afra Begum and Juliana Patricia Elizabeth from final year BCom, and spearheaded by the faculty coordinator, Dr. Lynette Cristilda. All the students worked very hard and gave their best, and each one of their contributions were highly valued and appreciated. With hearts filled with gratitude, we congratulate all the student volunteers, participants from other colleges, and the entire student community of the department. Above all, we thank and praise our Lord Almighty for showering His grace abundantly on the department in all its endeavors. Thank you.